Just a distraction, and God forbid something worse might happen.
So, a member of the audience has just asked the question, why
if you look on the speedboat, K5 was a jet boat that crashed on
to bring her all the way up from the south coast is just amazing, and to have the two boats together, father and father, and it really is a very, very special moment. He was my father's mascot, and he will be in the boat again with Bluebird again this afternoon. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. Really, really hope that Bluebird K7 picks up her skirts, lifts up her skirts was my father's expression, and gives you all a fantastic display today. But apart from that, look, you've got the sunshine, you're in a beautiful part of the world, you've got the hospitality of the Ruskin Museum.
There is a powerboat there occasionally.
And just a gentle reminder, there was a drone spotted, a drone other than me, spotted.
It's in the museum.
You need the flukes to fill up? I mean, Comes up onto the plane and then drops back down. The plane, which is, we do think we've got a little bit more to do, but she lifted her skirt, shot off like a scalding cat.